If Chrome says cookies are disabled, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. Cookies are important because many websites need them to sign you in, save your session, remember your preferences, and load properly. So if a site is acting weird, not logging in, or not working right, your cookie settings may be the problem. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, click Settings. That will take you into Chrome's Settings area. On the left side of the screen, find and click Privacy and Security. Inside that menu, click Third-Party Cookies. This is where Chrome controls cookie behavior for websites. Now look for the option that allows third-party cookies and turn it on. Enabling cookies here can solve a lot of website issues, especially if a login page, shopping cart, video player, or form is not working correctly. After that, it's a really good idea to clear out old cookies and cache, because corrupted browser data can sometimes keep the problem going even after you change the setting. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. In that window, select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. These two options help remove stored data that may be causing the issue. Once those boxes are checked, click Delete Data. Give Chrome a moment to finish clearing everything. After that, close Google Chrome completely and reopen it. Restarting the browser is important because it allows the new cookie settings to apply properly. Once Chrome opens again, try visiting the website that was giving you trouble. In many cases, the site should now load correctly and sign-in or session problems should be fixed. If the issue is still there, you may want to double-check that third-party cookies are enabled and repeat the cache clearing step just to make sure old data is gone. This simple process fixes a lot of browser problems, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy computer fixes, browser tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.